So now let us see the first one. Here in this problem, two vectors whose magnitudes are 8 meter and 6 meter. These two vectors 8 meter and 6 meter having an angle of 60 degrees between them, following the same order of direction. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. It means that here in this particular problem, we are being given two vectors. For the first vector is magnitude is 8 meter and second vector magnitude is 6 meters. Now here these two vectors are in the same order, means they are moving in the same direction of and these two vectors are also making an angle of 60 degrees. Okay, if that is the case, we are supposed to find it out the resultant vector's magnitude first and then direction. So see now, for this one, let me take the first vector, vector A. The vector A is given as what? 8 meters. It is 8 meters, and the vector B are at an angle of 60 degrees, and it is also mentioned that vector B and vector A are in the same order. If it is in the same order, what I have told while dealing the triangular law of vectors, if two vectors are in the same order, it means that the second vector's tail should be connected to the head of the first vector. So now here the second vector, what is your second vector? B vector. The tail of the second vector should be connected to the head of the first vector. So now this is your B vector. What is the value of B vector? The B vector value is equal to 6 meters. 6 meters. Okay. Now this is your B vector. And I need to find it out what? I need to find out the resultant vector. This is my resultant vector R. This is my resultant vector R. So now it is mentioned that these two vectors, vector A and vector B, are making an angle of 60 degrees. For that one, I will drop one line here, one point, and let it be O, P, Q, and this is my D. O, P, Q, D. And if I extend this one here in this way, this becomes my right angle triangle, and this is your theta. This theta is mentioned as, this theta is angle between vector A and vector B. What is the theta? The theta is given as theta equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And again, in order to find out the magnitude, okay, by using the formula we can find out the magnitude. Then what about the direction? The direction of this resultant vector is nothing else but the resultant vector makes an angle with the vector A in the direction of A. So now this is your alpha, which denotes the direction of this resultant vector. So this is regarding this particular question's diagrammatic view. I hope you have understood how to draw the diagrammatic part. Is it clear? Okay. If this is the diagrammatic view of this question, then let us see now one after the another the solutions. First one. What is the solution, ma'am? You are supposed to find out the magnitude. The magnitude of vector R is given by what? Vector R formula is equal to under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this is your formula. A square B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this is your formula. So now here, what is A? A equal to, see, the meaning of this mod means you are supposed to take only the value of this vector A, that is 8. It should not be taken as 8 meter. It is only the modulus of this one. It's a mod of this A. Mod means you are supposed to take only the numerical value. So if that is the case, I can write it as 8 square plus B is equal to what? 6 meters. So it is 6 square plus 2 into 8 into 6 into cos of theta. What is theta? 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So now here it becomes now under root 64 plus 36 plus 2 into 8 into 6 into cos 60. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. If this is the case, then I'll get an answer as 64 plus 36. It is 100. 100 plus 8 8 into 6. 8 into 6 is 48. 100 plus 48, it becomes 148. 148. Then vector R. Vector R is equal to under root 148, that is 12.16 meters. So this is your value of your resultant vector. Now the resultant vector value is equal to 12.16 meter. So the magnitude of this one, the magnitude or the size or the length of this resultant vector is 12.16 meter. So now let us see the next half of this particular question, that is the direction of this particular question, resultant vector of these two vectors. Here direction means, it doesn't mean that it is traveling in east direction or west direction or north or south, but it tells about the angle, in which angle it is going, in which direction and what angle that particular resultant vector is making with these two vectors. That is the meaning of direction. So now the direction is equal to the direction of resultant vector. The direction of resultant vector is given by tan alpha is equal to mod of B sin theta over mod A plus mod B cos theta. So this is a formula. This is a formula of your in order to find out the direction of the resultant vector. So now tan alpha is equal to, what is mod B? Mod B equal to 6. So 6 into sine of theta. What is sine theta? 60 degrees. Sine 60 over mod A. What is mod A? 8. 8 plus 6 into cos 60. Cos 60. So now 6 into, what is sine 60? It is root 3 by 2. Root 3 over 2 divided by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2 is a cos 60. So this both will get cancelled, that's 3 times, this is 3 times. So you get answer as 3 root 3 over 11. 3 root 3 over 11. Therefore, then alpha equal to tan inverse of 3 root 3 over 11. That implies alpha is equal to 25 degrees over 2. So the value of this tan inverse 3 root 3 over 11 is 25 degrees 0.2 inch. So now this is your angle. So in this particular angle, your particular resultant vector is traveling 25 degrees 0.2. So this is how you are supposed to find it out, the magnitude and the direction of your resultant vector. And this will be some kind of problems regarding the vector additions. Numerical regarding the vector addition. In this one, it is given that find the magnitude and direction of a resultant vector. One vector is having a magnitude of 8 meter and it is in the direction of north, and second vector is 6 meter due east. So this is a question for these two vectors. I need to find out the resultant vector. So see now, one vector is in the north direction. If I draw this one, this is north, east, west and south. So now one of the vector is in the north direction. Let that vector equal to vector A. The vector A is equal to how much? 8 meters. Vector A equal to 8 meters. Now, and again the second vector is in the east direction. It is moving in the east direction. So now if I need to find out the resultant vector, means what? Both these vectors are connected. So for that one, in order to join the second vector, I need to join the second vector here. So now this becomes as what? Vector B. Both are in different directions. So now it is 6 meters. 6 meters. If this is the case of my two vectors, then the resultant vector will be originating from this point, common point in this direction. So this will be my resultant vector R. This will be my resultant vector R. So now here, if both these vectors are connected in this fashion, one is moving in the north direction, other one is moving in the east direction, then I can say that the angle between these two vectors, vector A and vector B, the angle between vector A and vector B is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. For that one, I will draw the other part of this other side of this one by dotted lines. This one indicates the vector A vector, which is similar to A vector, and this dotted line indicates the B vector. So now this vector A and this vector B, so both are making here, this is 90 degree angle. So both are at 90 degree angle. Vector A and vector B are at 90 degree angle. Then what about the resultant vector? The resultant vector is making an angle of alpha with these two vectors. So let that be here, alpha. Let this alpha be the resultant vector angle which is making with these two vectors. So now first I need to find out the magnitude. So let us start this solution. Magnitude of resultant vector. Magnitude of resultant vector. So for this one, formula, vector R is equal to under root vector A square plus vector B square plus 2A B cos theta. So this is a formula for magnitude. So if this is a formula, substitute the given values in this one. What are given to us? Vector A. What is vector A? 8. So it becomes 8 square. 8 square. What is vector B? It is 6. So it becomes 6 square plus 2 into 8 into 6 into cos of 90 degrees. Why? Because the angle between these two vectors, both are perpendicular to each other. Vector A and vector B is perpendicular to each other, then the angle between the two vectors will be 90 degrees. Since the angle vector A and vector B are inclined at 90 degrees, that's the angle between the two vectors. If that is the case, let us now solve this one. Then what happens to this particular question? It is 64 plus 36 plus sin 90. Sin 90 is 0. 2 into 8 into 6 into 0. So this entire term will become as 0. So you get an answer as root of 64 plus 36, 100. So now your resultant vector R is equal to 10 meters. So now this is your magnitude of the resultant vector. Now the length of this resultant vector is 10 meters. So this is how you are supposed to find the magnitude of the resultant vector if this kind of problems are given to you. Up to now we have found out the magnitude of this particular two vectors. Now let us find the other part of the question, that is direction of these two vectors. Sorry, direction of the resultant vector. The direction of resultant vector is formula, that is tan theta or tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to mod B into sine of theta over mod A plus mod B into cos of theta. So this is a formula in order to find out the angle. So now tan alpha is equal to, substitute the values. What is B? Mod B is equal to 6. 6 into sine of 90 degrees over what is A? A is equal to 8, B is equal to 6 into cos of 90 degrees. So if you see here, sin 90 is equal to 1, cos 90 equal to 0. So if you substitute, what do you get? 6 into 1 over 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. Okay. So now it is tan alpha equal to 6 by 8. That implies alpha equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4, which is equal to 36.54, 36 degrees 0.54. So therefore alpha is equal to, that is the angle which with it is making with the two vectors is 36.54, and this angle will denote the direction of this resultant vector. So now this particular vector is making an angle of 36 degrees 0.5.